Hi everyone, welcome back. Slightly different approach on this video. We're not going to be doing so much talking at the start, we're just going to get straight into it. Today we're going to be stripping down the suspension and taking the brakes off the rear of the Elise. I'm going to spend a bit more time talking over the video and explaining where the bolts are, what the problems were that we had taken to pieces, just to help you guys out. It's not just a sped up video of doing it. So introductions, my name's Adam. I'll be working with Paul on strip on the previous video, and different people have been involved at different parts when we're doing the repairs, and the paintwork and everything will be done by different members of Project AD. So we found a lot of rust, we found a lot of broken bits, we got the rear clam off. So let's take a look at the car now and just get straight into it. We've got the clam off. Yeah. Clam off.
Finally. In one piece.
In one piece.
Apart from the bit I broke off.
Yeah, apart from the little bit that's broken off. It's added to the repair. So we're going to have a look under here at that.
That's some rust.
There's a lot of rust and a lot of rot, but everything that you can see that is rusty is going to be taken off and either replaced or cleaned or powder coated. So it should all be new when it goes back together. And all of this needs cleaning. So I think I'm tempted to take this lot off and then ice blast it.
It needs a proper ice blasting, doesn't it?
Yeah. So this lot is going to come off. This is a nice brake cable that might need to be replaced.
Yeah,
It's only the handbrake, so
that's not helping with the handbraking situation.
this, I mean, look at the state of these. It's like, I know it said it's been stored for 5 years, but it looks like it's been stored next to the sea for 5 years. So new discs, new pads, wishbones need coming off and looking at or replacing. New suspension, new springs, new supports here. Engine mount is
Seen better days. Can we be nice about it like that?
yeah.
It's seen better days.
But you know, fiberglass repairs we know we've got loads of these, and aluminium is all good, so it's not too bad. Obviously bushes will be replaced. Everything that looks really bad will come off and either get replaced or cleaned and put on. So let's have a look. Looking forward to taking it off?
Absolutely, I can't wait. We need some of that.
Where are you going for one first? Caliper?
Yeah. Well, hopefully. Instead. We'll wedge this up so we can try and take this off. Oh, look at that! The first one, come on!
We got lucky. There's a lot of these bolts that have been absolutely coated in copper grease, so that everything's coming undone quite easily. So you might have heard me then just say, first thing we're going to take off is the caliper, then the brake flexi hoses. We'll go for the upper wishbone and the lower wishbone suspension come out, and we need to take the under tray off to get some access there. Tools you're going to need for this are 17mm spanner, 15, 14, maybe a 13 as well. You need some Allen keys, some pliers to get split pins off the hub, a big hammer to knock things apart, and a copper hammer to knock the drive shaft out of the bearing.
I think what we should do is start selling the natural patina. That's what everyone wants. What do you reckon? Should we have just the natural patina?
Like this?
Yeah.
What do you think to that? Good idea? Leave the rust, put it back together? Maybe not. So things are coming apart pretty easily. There's only one bolt here that we had problems with, and that was in the rear bolt of the lower wishbone was seized into the collar.
Hopefully if I wiggle it, watch this. Wiggle, wiggle, just a little bit. Oh. There you go, look, look at that. I'm surprised, look, as much as they are, they're not split, not leaking. They're all there, look.
This is the problem with rusty nuts and bolts. You sometimes get them stuck in your sockets and have to take them, just tap them out with a punch and a hammer, smack it out like that. There's the one, you had to get the angle grinder in there to cut that bolt in the collar. There is a gap there, so you can get the angle grinder in and cut it and then knock it out. So it wasn't too difficult, just a bit of a pain that there was that one bolt out of everything. If you do have to cut it out with an angle grinder, if you've got one seized in the collar the same as this, you're going to have to raise the angle of the lower wishbone so you can get access to it. So we just put axle stand and block of wood under there to lift it up.
A bit questionable, but we got there. Here she comes, like this. Yeah! There it is, seized in the bush. But we're off now.
And there it all is, laid on the ground, nicely came apart. Everything was copper greased, so it all came apart nice and easy, apart from that one bolt. So all good. Lots of new parts coming in the post, so they'll be going on soon. If you can like and subscribe to the video, part 3 will be coming soon. Part 3, we're going to take the front clam off, and then onto the front suspension, and then that ice blasting video. So yeah, lots to come. Thanks for your support, everyone. See you soon.